You are watching kiddotvvv. Hey everyone! It's time to get creative and spread some Christmas cheer. Today, we're going to learn how to color a super cute Christmas tree. Let's get started! First, let's draw a cute, sparkly star. Now let's draw curvy lines to make a bushy and a green tree. Make the layers of the same curvy lines and repeat it. Good going, kids! Now let's draw the trunk of the tree. Almost done! Let's add some fun decorations. Draw some colorful circles for ornaments and a few wavy lines for lights and some tasty candies hanging on the tree. Now let's color our tree. What color do you want your tree to be? Green, red, or maybe even rainbow? It's your choice. I will be coloring my green, so let's begin. Very good, kids. Let's color the ornaments too. We can use red, yellow, blue, or any other color you like. Now let's begin. Very good, kids. Let's color a cute, sparkly star. I will color my yellow. We can use red, yellow, blue, or any other color you like. Now let's begin. Don't forget the trunk. Let's color it brown. Very good, kids! And there you have it, a super funny Christmas tree. You can add your special touches. I would like to add some thermocol balls to make it more decorative. Very good, kids. That looks so amazing. Next, let's give our tree a funny face. Paste 2 big eyes and a silly mouth to make it more attractive. Very good, kids. That looks so amazing. And there you have it, a super funny Christmas tree. We hope you had fun drawing and coloring with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos. Happy holidays!